We are here to see why Web3 communication matters. So yeah, 4 phases, the what and why, then a live demo, then future and WAGMI, because of course I needed to include WAGMI somewhere, and then Q&A. So let's get started. The what and the why. So yeah, this is where the Good Vibes video fit in. The team tried exceptionally hard to get this to work. So here it goes. Amazing. All that for 30 seconds. Awesome. So what's the missing piece of Web3? Well, just think about it. Right now, whenever we are communicating in Web3, we are actually not communicating. We basically go to Twitter and then try to communicate to Web3, or we go to Telegram and then try to communicate to Web3. Well, what does it do? It basically results in a critical info drop. Something as simple as you receiving crypto, you don't get to know about it. Something as scary as a smart contract exploit, well, the hackers are winning. And something even as cool as the next version update, Uniswap going from V3 to V4, or Gitcoin launching their decentralized Gitcoin platform. We just communicate to each other on Twitter, not on Web3. And that results in a lot of info drop, which is the next slide. So by show of hands, tell me who all of you participate in DAO. Wow, all DAOists here. All right, so DAOs. Now, again, just think about it. Like when you are participating in a DAO, again, you are going to either Discord or Twitter or Telegram to talk about it. And that basically works for 1 or 2 DAOs. But when we go to several DAOs and we all want to be part of the Web3 and all the cool projects, we are not able to keep up. Why is that? Well, again, there's no communication or direct communication that is coming up. And what does it do? It results in voter apathy. Like you don't know when an important proposal is coming unless your friend, talks to you about it, or, you hear about it on Discord. Governance proposals, again, you don't know important governance proposals that come and go. And all of this is because a direct conversation is lacking. Again, let's move to DeFi. So who all have taken loans over here in DeFi? Wow, amazing, dude. So yeah, DeFi, they are amazing. They enable loans and global banking everywhere. But have you heard that you went out to a holiday and the bank just foreclosed your house without even informing you that? Well, that's the scary reality of DeFi. Your loans liquidate and you don't get to know about it. Ideally, you should get to know about it before it liquidates, not when it liquidates. So yeah, that's there. Farming epochs, like we all love yield farming, but we don't know when the epochs go around. Like every week or so when we need to harvest our tokens, we, again, don't have any communication. Either we set it up on our calendar or we try to remember it, but again, that doesn't work. Interest change is another thing which we don't get to know because either the dApp will update it or the Twitter users will be informed. Again, something which where highlights over here why communication is needed. Then NFTs and metaverse. Who all have NFTs? Oh, wow. Amazing. I have millionaires over here. So yeah, NFTs, imagine like NFTs right now is such a cool concept, but NFTs are art, right? There is a special connection between artists and the people like you and me who are buying those NFTs, and we like to follow those artists out. But whenever this artist will come up with a new NFT collection, again, there's no way for him or her to talk about it. They can reach out to Twitter, they can try OpenSea, but again, if they're reaching out to email, then why are we inventing Web3? Metaverse, so cool story. I was talking to someone, And these guys had a party in decentralized, like it was New Year, and they were doing all their communication on Zoom and partying on Metaverse. So that was like a novelty, but yeah, you can see that something is missing. And yeah, of course, the build-up is, of course, to us, like we are the only communication protocol out there right now. But yeah, the solution was to create a new communication primitive for Web3. Like everyone went for speed, scalability, and security, and that was good. But after that happened, a lot of dApps came, and this communication problem was exposed. So the solution is to create a decentralized communication protocol, which we at EPNS did. What does that mean? Well, it basically means that using the protocol, any dApp, any smart contract, any backend, any Web3 service, or even Web2 service can send communications that are tied to user wallet in an open, gasless platform, agnostic, and multi-chain way. So what does these terms mean? Well, open because Web3 usernames are shared, so it had to be open. Anyone, any crypto front end can just tap into the network and can just show all your notifications and all your communications. Gasless because users, they don't need to pay gas when these notifications reach out to you. Multi-chain because, of course, we love to talk in Web3, and our vision is that a user of Ethereum can even talk to a user of, let's say, Solana, if you guys want to. So yeah, that's the solution. That's EPNS. So yeah, how to Web3 notif? Let's see that. So, okay, I need to exit the screen. All right, so this is our front end, like app.epns.io. Again, it's a protocol, so the front end is just there to show you how. Let me just refresh it. Yeah. The protocol is basically an opt-in protocol, which means you as a user, you need to opt in for the notifications to come to you. Let's say I like Uniswap v3 notifications. We call these channels, like any service that sends notifications, we call them channels. I, as a user, have been logged in, so I'll just go opt-in. I'll sign my intent to opt-in, which is sent to the push nodes. It's a network, a decentralized Web3 network. And yeah, that's it. After that, Uniswap can basically send notifications right to your wallet address. So let's see how that looks. I also have a channel, so I'm just going to use this channel. I am going to just say targeted notification. Targeted is just sending notification to one wallet. We do have broadcast, we do have subset. Broadcast is like the notification goes to everyone. And yeah, here's a cool part. So the communication protocol needs to be very, very flexible. And that's what we did. You just don't send a notification, like a plain text notification. You can send so much more. You can send images, you can send video. In this case, I actually have a tweet from Kevin, working for the DAO we like. So let's just use this image and say, well, not anymore. Subject, go EPNS. And yeah, I also mirrored my device, so hopefully you will be able to see it in full, in real time when it occurs. So in the backend, what we are doing is we are basically generating the payload, uploading the notification to IPFS. We are attaching storage identity, so push nodes can interpret it. Then we are signing the message so that push nodes know that we as a channel are sending that message out. And hopefully if the tech gods are in favor, we will see the notification coming out. Of course, as I said, this is platform agnostic, so it comes out everywhere. Of course, it came to EPNS app as well. But yeah, I think because I was connected, so it didn't notify. But yeah. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Like any DAO, I just showed you a manual notification, but we have frameworks to do it automatically. We have frameworks to make sure that your loan never liquidates. You are notified just before that, and so many more things. And that's what EPNS is basically enabling, and that's what Web3 communication should be like. All right. Live demo time done. So yeah, what's the future in WAGMI Together? The future, it all starts with open notification. Web3 is shared. Just think about it when you are talking on Twitter. You're talking to Twitter usernames. When you're talking on WhatsApp, you're talking to WhatsApp usernames. But when you're talking on Web3, wallet addresses are your usernames. And surprise, surprise, you don't talk to them. You talk to Twitter, you talk to Discord, you talk to Telegram. So that's why open notifications were so important. And again, in Web2 also, they are a critical piece of infrastructure. And that's why we started with notifications. They're live on Ethereum. We just went live 2 months back. Then the next thing which should happen in the future of Web3 communication is multi-chain. Like an Ethereum user or an Ethereum service should reach out to a non-EVM user as well, or a service. And even crypto wallets, like popular crypto wallets like Phantom, should tell you when you open over there that, hey, you are an Ethereum user and your Uniswap LP pool is out of range. So yeah, that's the future we are looking out for. And yeah, notification is just a start. Just think about it. After notification, WhatsApp was built, and then came video calling. All three of these things we are aiming to do. We also have W2W wallet-to-wallet chat that will coming out in Q3. And yeah, that brings me to WAGMI Together. So we are doing a live workshop at ETH Amsterdam. Come build with us. We have prizes, and you can build so many cool things in this new communication primitive. Here's the Discord. Here's not a Discord QR. It's a Medium QR, just to get you started with some ideas and to see where we are coming. Also, one of my team members will be presenting the entire tech workshop, like how to create these channels, how to automate things, how to integrate through backend, dApp, or smart contract. So you're all invited. It's happening on 23rd. Finally, Q&As. So yeah, guys, any questions? Anyone wants me to sell their dApps? No? All right, so guys, this is the QR code for Discord for all the builders. Come join Discord, come say hi in case you want to. And thank you.